Hey guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, we are doing an anti-valentine set. We're starting off by putting some black on the pinky. And I did base coat these nails just in case you're curious. I keep forgetting to tell you guys that. And now I'm going to make a milky, not milky, but a jelly black. And I honestly didn't make it dark enough, so I actually had to mix it a little bit on the finger. I just put a dab of black on the finger and I just kept going over with the brush I'm using with the milky black, and that kind of gave me the color I was looking for. But of course I didn't film it because I didn't think I was going to do that. But yeah, I did end up making this a little bit darker on the finger. That's why it got darker. So I'm gonna take this net and I'm gonna put it in the pinky, on the pinky nail, but I don't like it. I really didn't like the look. I've been trying to work with this net for a while. You guys seen me try to use it before, and I kind of last minute took it out on another video. But it's something about this softer net that I can't figure out what to do with it. I didn't like it in the set, so you're going to see me cover it up later on. But right now I am going to encapsulate all of the nails. And I do have a video how I build nails up if you're curious. I'll link it up above. I do it in real time and I give a lot of tips and tricks. And I want to apologize if I'm not like energetic or anything like that. I have some dental stuff going on right now and I really wanted this video to get up, so I'm going to push through it and work with it, but I'm just not kind of energetic today. I'm sorry, guys. So, as per usual, here's a random topic that's been going on my head all week, kind of. But, like, I kind of realized, you know how sometimes in nail enthusiasts always say, this is really unnecessary. You really don't have to buy it. But if you want to get it, get it. You know, things like that. And I kind of made me realize that that's completely true if you are a beginner. I can't tell you the amount of stuff that I have that I do not use, the amount of charms, and like, yes, it's nice to have it, but if you are a beginner, don't worry about having everything. I would say just worry about, if you're doing gelettes, getting the tips, getting some base coat, top coat, and gel polish, because you can do a lot with just gel polish. Most of this design is gel polish and some rhinestones, basically. So yeah, you don't have to have everything. And if you watch a lot of the popular YouTubers, they really don't use anything but rhinestones. Sometimes some charms, but yeah, it's really just gel polish. So that was just something random going on in my head this week. And I would love to hear you guys' opinion. Do you feel you need more stuff? Like, is gel polish not enough? Like, let me know what you guys think, because I feel like it's true. We only really need gel polish because majority of our designs really don't have the stuff we buy. As per usual, I file and shape off camera, but I'm going to put down a layer of base coat. So that's something else I was thinking about. So many people right now are recommending rubber base coat. I hear rubber base coat everywhere, and I'm gonna be honest, I think you need both a base coat and a rubber base coat personally. I put the base coat on under my gel polish because it's thinner on top of an enhancement. But if you are wearing like gel X, I think you should go in with the rubber base coat because that's strength. But I feel like if you're doing enhancements, you kind of need both, because I use the rubber base coat on my natural nails, but I use the more thinner base coat under a gel polish, if that makes sense. So yeah, I kind of feel like you need both, just in case anybody was wondering. And I don't know why all of these random thoughts are coming to me right now, but yeah, that's what just but what I've been thinking about lately. And so I am just doing this ombre up the nail. This is not what actually was supposed to happen. I just got this color on the nail and I just started creating this ombre, and I was like, this color is just so beautiful. I don't want to cover it up. And it really was supposed to be like a diamond ombre, if you know what I'm talking about. Tabitha Scott does them a lot, and like I wanted to try one, and I just couldn't do it. I really loved the ombre, and I was like, I'm just gonna keep it like that. But no, that was not the plan. It was supposed to be a blinged out ombre nail, but I love it. I'm not complaining. I'm going to mat the ring finger and the middle finger because I'm going to stamp on one and draw on the other. I do want to say something that's kind of important. Make sure, if you're going to do this jelly black and you don't want to build the nail with the black inside, make sure the color is built in clear, because you want that see-throughness. You don't want to build it in nude, because then you will lose that see-through effect. So I'm gonna explain this stamping situation right now. I only caught myself stamping this image, but once I got it on the nail, I really didn't like it. So I did change it over to the nail look you're gonna see. But yeah, it was supposed to be this pattern, but I really didn't like it. So yeah, I switched it over to this one right here, and I love this a lot better. To me, it gave it like a fishnet stocking kind of look and made it more anti-valentine in my head. It may not make sense to you guys, but it kind of makes sense in my head. So I do have a reference picture. I didn't download it or screenshot it, so I can't really show you guys what it is. I will say I wish I actually went more in the middle of the nail, because I feel like it was too wide or bulky. But I had planned to draw other hearts around it, but I did attempt to do it, but I didn't like the way it was looking, so I just left the broken heart as is. And I really want to get better about this, is like having backgrounds to stuff like this. But like I said, I plan to have more broken hearts around it. But I'm gonna be honest, this is my third attempt, and I this was the best attempt that I had achieved so far. So I was like, I'm not going to keep fussing with this, because clearly I'm not getting it. But yeah, I really should have done something under it to bring some interest. I recommend like a black and white, maybe glitter situation or something like that, or maybe even a silver glitter situation, just something to bring interest to that nail, because I feel like it's too plain. But let me know what you guys think. And again, I didn't like the pinky nail, so I went ahead and I covered it up, and I decided that I would make that my bling nail, since I didn't do the ombre. And that charm, I just sat there on there to get you guys' opinion, if you thought it would have looked better with that charm on the nail. And I hope you saw it. It was there for 2 seconds. But yeah, I didn't know if it enhanced the nail set or what, or if it made it too gory. So I didn't glue it down. I was just wondering and curious, what do you guys think? I'm really honestly, while doing this set, kind of figuring it out as I go. I told you guys this kind of came together by itself, because I completely had a whole different vision for this. But I'm not mad at it. I think it turned out super cute. I really do like it. So here is the nail set. This is what I came up with, and again, I love it. I think it came together rather nicely. It was a few things I would change, but I still love it. But thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.